Just when Delhiites were sweating through a relentless heat wave, the skies cracked open. A fierce storm clocking winds up to 80 km/h ripped through the capital, toppling trees, delaying flights, and sending the temperature plummeting. So, what caused this meteorological mood swing? Let's understand in DNA Explained. Delhi had been baking under a severe heat wave with mercury hovering above 42 degrees Celsius. This created highly unstable conditions in the lower atmosphere, like a pressure cooker waiting to blow. A western disturbance, a weather system originating from the Mendarian, swept across the North India. These disturbances are notorious for bringing sudden rain and thunderstorms. When this collided with the hot, dry air over Delhi, instant storm is likely to happen. Moisture-laden winds from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal fed the storm, intensifying it further. This led to heavy rainfall up to 8 cm in some areas and sharp gusty winds. Now, what were the sudden impact of Delhi rains? Now, talking about the sudden impact of Delhi rains, well, we can definitely say they were severe. Over 120 flights were delayed and many were diverted this morning due to the strong weather conditions. The Delhi airport witnessed average delays of 21 minutes for arrival and 61 minutes for departures. Around 15 to 20 trains were delayed after trees fell on the wire due to strong winds, impacting railway operations in the Delhi division. Massive traffic jams, uprooted trees, and wall collapses were the only scenes witnessed in the capital. A 28-year-old woman and her 3 children died after strong winds led to a tree falling on their house in Delhi's Dwarka region. According to the police, the neem tree fell on the tube well room, causing the structure to collapse. The victims included kids aged between 7 years to 7 months. Woman's husband also sustained minor injuries and is undergoing treatment. Temperature drop of nearly 10 degrees Celsius definitely offered a relief, but 202 power outages, traffic chaos were the collaterals. The India Meteorological Department, also known as IMD, had already issued a red alert of intense thunderstorm and strong winds. Well, credits were due, but forecast was on point. While the rain brought short-lived relief, it also reminded us how extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and more probably more unpredictable. The science is clear. Climate change is real and the new normal.